Haikou, hey yeah, Haikou, oh yeah. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound. Little Haikou has a little bit of everything, little bit of everything, everything for you and me. Everything, everything, everything. Arcade alleys with clattering of sound. Goddamn, anything can be found. Just walk around, just walk around. I'm Haikou city bound.
Okay, we're in Haikou. We're going to be walking down Zhongshan Road, which is the arcade street. Notice how most of this is Russian. English, Russian, and Chinese. Kind of interesting. And we're going to walk down this street right here, this arcade street. So check out a little slice of Hainan Island in Haikou.
Here we are in Haikou, which is in part of Hainan, which is in China, the most southern part. And you can see that up on the map because I'll kind of show you, where Haikou is in Hainan in China, and then also this little tiny street that we're on, which is called Zhongshan, but it also has two names because it's also well known for the history as well. Nonetheless, I'm going to tell you about this because I have 17 Haikou videos. This is number 1 of 17, and I spent a few days there just kind of exploring with the camera, and I went around to different parts, and I also kind of captured this area in particular because this is where a lot of the tourists and people want to see, because it's all these little arcade homes, businesses, stuff like that. So anyways, this is a slice of it, and I have 17 total slices of it. So every 5 days I'll upload a new one. So that's the plan. So subscribe and like it if you're interested to see more of Haikou in particular. And with that, I also created lyrics. So the lyrics are right there. And I basically wrote those out, and then I fed it into AI, which created the music for it. So that's what that's all about. And I guess we're going to get right into the walk and talk and my first Haikou video for you guys to see. Make some comments if you're interested. Let me know. It's always good for me just to be aware of that. And it's also good for the algorithm. Okay, anyways, let's get into the walk and talk. Haikou, Hainan.
Change the setting a little bit because that looked like it was all drenched out. So first what we're going to do is try to get across the street. Looks like a lot of the streets, a lot of motorbikes, bicycles, motorbikes, scooters. So let's navigate through that. And all you really have to do is just start walking through. And then this is going to be Zhongshan Road. And lots of tourists here. It's December, so I don't know if that's because of the weather, because it's actually some of the better weather in China, but it's noticeable. So I think people are coming from all over China. Then you also have these little things too. It's kind of cool. Okay, let's keep on walking down our street. Yeah, we also have all these little street art things as well. And then there's going to be a guy over here who has cats. This is a hotel right there. There's the guy with the cats. The cats are sleeping. Earlier I saw him and he had the cats and he was, I don't know what he was doing. He was like, hit it with a hanger. Looked like he was trying to train it or something like that. And then some local girls were kind of looking aghast and kind of shocked. So I was kind of curious what that's all about. But anyways, you can see all the arcade buildings. So I think this is called Zhongshan Street, which is kind of interesting because I have filmed in Zhongshan Street before. Sorry, not here, in Zhongshan City, I mean. So it's funny that Zhongshan also has arcade streets the same as this. And it reminds me a lot of walking there, but I think that there's more here, possibly. Let's see here. Just gonna kind of explore a little bit and see. Let's see. It's kind of interesting. So lots of different shops. So, okay. Yeah, it's actually tons of tourists are everywhere here. I was reading something just a little while ago and it was something like 4 or 5 million people a year or something like that come to Haikou. It's part of Hainan, and I flew into Sanya, I think it's the second biggest city. It's a big tourist city. Pretty sure it's number 2. I think it's like 1 million people. That's kind of cool. Somebody's up there getting some good. Yeah, and actually Sanya was a little bit harder to film because the streets are really wide. But this one is easy to film. All these really photogenic buildings. And up there you can see people in the windows. So I guess that's a restaurant with nice little tables in each window. And then you have the people up there taking photos. Okay, let's keep on going. And you got another one of these little guys that sit up on the benches too, like that. I think these are called shop houses. But they're kind of similar to what I see in Zhongshan. And I think I saw them in Xiamen as well, and then definitely see them in Southeast Asia, where a lot of Chinese communities. So there's a connection with the overseas Chinese, with Haikou, Zhongshan and Guangdong, Singapore, Malaysia, Penang, Malacca, places like that. Yeah, Haikou is very photogenic. It was hard to film in Sanya, so it's kind of cool. But this is going to be an easy place to film in. Okay, we're just going to keep on meandering, giving you an idea of Haikou. I think it's something like 2.5 million people. Something like that. So that's kind of cool as well. Keep on walking down. Let me see. It's funny because I've seen things like this in Zhongshan too, where they have these little flags, and it's funny that we're on Zhongshan Road. Historical buildings. Yeah, you come in here, it has a different feel altogether. So I guess you could, is that a QR code? So I guess a person could actually do a QR code even on my video, probably, and try to see what that's all about. If they were so inclined. And I believe that this one's going to end up here, which is just about the perfect time that 1.5 for this video. More of these. Coconut. They have some coconut milk in Macau, so kind of curious. I think I heard that this is actually called the Coconut City as well. So actually, here's a little bit of information. Okay, so Guangdong. Okay, so there actually is a connection. I think I heard that Hainan and Guangdong were once the same province. And then they, but it kind of makes sense because I think the coastal areas were quite connected historically. Roma Island. This is kind of interesting. Coffee shop right here. Pretty cool. Then over here we got some carriages. Let's see if I can get over here. It's kind of cool. Nice image. And it looks like Zhongshan Street's going to come up to the ending up here. It's another one. I think I heard about this. Somebody told me there was one where there was a Chinese and a foreigner. And I think this is it. And so, yeah, that's it. It's funny, I guess people touch their fingers and the pen and the arquebus. So I guess that's kind of signifies the history a little bit as well. So yeah, Zhongshan Road. No cars can come through here, so yeah, it's funny how much it reminds me of Zhongshan City. Coffee shop. Nice. The music is the Eagles. But the music, that's a nice storefront. There's some nice stuff right here. So I don't know if the whole city has the same kind of feel or not, but be walking around it for sure. So let's go all the way to the end, and we're gonna see up and down that street and to see what we got here. I just arrived, so I'm just starting the exploration part. A lot of tourists though. So it looks like people are coming this way, but I'm gonna go around like this. And then now I can see, so it looks like you kind of have like shop homes all the way down as well. I think they did do this just to keep the bikes away, so there's a place for pedestrians to actually walk. And now, kind of like the other one, it's kind of busy. So let's come on over here. So there's Zhongshan Street, Zhongshan Road tourist map. There's a sign right there. And I'm just gonna explore the taste of Haikou.